Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Kel, and in this channel I'll be showing you my motorcycles and the work I do on them, trips and everything I do with my bikes. Alright, so first of all this is my Honda CBR 900 RR 1994 SC28. She's such a beautiful bike. And I'm lucky it's in great condition. I got it from a guy who imported it from Switzerland. The only thing that looks a bit, I don't know, strange is the handlebar. But in all honesty, it's so nice to ride it with this handlebar because you're not laying over the tank over all the time. So it's pretty cool to ride it. Other than that, the bike is in impeccable condition. I just changed the tires on the wheels, brand new Bridgestone tires, rear and front. And this is my lovely CBR 900 RR. It runs like new. It has only, I think, 40,000 kilometers. Yes, 40,000 kilometers on the clock. Great looking bike. I don't know what to say. I can't really find anything I don't like about this bike, even though it's old. And I kind of like old bikes. It's great looking bike. The fairings are in good condition. There's some scratches here and there, but nothing major, nothing to worry about. The only thing I changed is the clutch cord, the clutch wire. It broke right here, and I changed it. This one I think is a little short. There's some wobbling on the clutch. I tried to adjust it from here, from the adjustment, but this is the maximum I can get. But anyways, this little guy right here is not mine. Someone brought it to me to fix it. It's not starting, so next few days I'll check it out and see what's wrong with it. Alright guys, thanks for checking out my first video on the channel. I hope I'll be making more videos, and I hope you'll be coming to my channel to watch them regularly. Thanks a lot.